How to make your microphone sound better in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how to increase the sound quality on your microphone. Now the first thing you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar and go and right click on this volume icon. You can then press sound settings. Now for the output, this is where you need to select your speakers or your headphones, basically where you want the sound to be playing out from. You could then scroll down to input and make sure you have your microphone selected. So if you have an external microphone connected to your computer, make sure it's selected like this. Now for the input volume, you need to go and change this to around about 90. If you have it all the way set to 100, this can actually distort the sound quality, so it's actually far better to leave it around 90 instead. You can then click on your microphone from the list of options. You can then scroll down to audio enhancements and make sure this feature is turned off and disabled. Now click on the drop down next to the format and set this to the highest number of hertz available. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window, and there's also a couple of settings you'll need to change on the microphone itself. So first of all, make sure your microphone is set to the cardioid mode. So if you see this icon here on your microphone, go and switch it to this mode, and this is basically really good for any kind of voiceovers or podcasts, as it makes the microphone completely one directional. So as long as you're talking into the front of the microphone, which is this side, all of the other background sounds and noise is going to be blocked out. Now you also want to make sure that you're talking into the microphone from the front of the microphone and not the back, and also ensure that your mouth is around 4 inches away from the microphone. Now once you've followed all of these steps, that should have now improved the quality of your microphone sound.